everyone our secret. Should I tell them? Yeah, okay, I'll tell them. Are you ready to show them? Yeah? Okay, let's show them. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you guys something super easy and helpful. All you need is 2 ingredients. You can do this from home and you will never ever have to look for hand sanitizer again. All you need is aloe vera and alcohol. Oh, and you also need a little hand sanitizer empty tube thing, whatever you call it. So these are the only 3 things actually that you would need. So how it goes, you just take some aloe vera, you fill it up all the way to the top. I would say leave a little gap inside so that you have enough space to put still the alcohol. And then you would take the alcohol and you just pour a little bit. I know, Giselle! Isn't that so cool? You have a partner for life. The top, and then you close it. And then you shake. Here's your sanitizer. I'm ready to go to the grocery store now. So if you guys liked today's video, don't forget to put a thumbs up. And if you already tried this from home, comment down below. Let me know if this worked out for you guys. I wish you guys all a wonderful day. Stay safe. Bye guys.